Okay. Well, I talked about this situation a few weeks ago about young Dolph. Now the autopsy out, and it's saying he shot 22 times. Like I said a few weeks ago. And he was shot up in the upper chest area and neck. That lets you know someone shot him from in that cookie shop. Now I'm going to show you what the lawyer had to say and confirm what Key Glock say that he was shot that many times. That's the lawyer statement. Key Glock hit 22 times. So that lets you know that first shot was to the neck, that what dropped him to give them time enough to run up and finish him off. Everything's coming out. Everything is coming out about this situation. It's going to be more players. And it's going to take straight drop with that violation because you cannot catch a new case on federal parole. So that lets you know eventually the feds is going to pick that case up. And then once he open his mouth, then that's when the Ricos step in and they go figure out who paid this hit, allegedly. And they say the brother was inside the shop. My thing is, why was that door locked? Did the brother run out the back door too with the rest of the cookie people? Because Maurice Hill sure had that phone in his hand, and Raven said he called her from the cell phone. But you can see the phone in his hand bright as day. Cordless phone. Like and subscribe.